Moving on to our customer section, here we have more statistic cards for customers. Unique visitors. This card tracks how many unique IPs have been registered in the database, so that way you can tell how many visitors have basically come to the site. Contemporary visitors are basically how many customers are currently active on the website. So since there's only one user, me, on this website, there's only one contemporary visitor at the moment. And then you have the pending order statistic, which shows how many orders are pending, as well as being shown with a tiny notification icon with the number of pending orders on the order tab itself. As for the account tables, the account profiles, here you have all the customer profiles that are currently registered on the system. There's a search bar where you can search for any customer, let's say me, and then the table will be filtered out just to show that, depending on the contents, and if the search content is inside of any specific cell inside the table, it'll show it. So let's try searching for this specific string, it will show you this specific customer. We can delete any one of these customers. We can say we delete this. Let me just open up the tables. So let's say I want to delete this account. I can delete this and it will remove it from the database as such. There you go. Customer account has successfully been deleted and the customer record is gone. If we refresh the page on the database, the customer entry is now removed from the database. Now let's say we want to edit one of these customers. We can edit this. We can change the name. And then we can save the changes. And there you go. There you go. The customer details have been updated. And if we check the database, the database has also been updated. Now assume we want to view any one of these customers, we can press view, and then it'll generate a view customer window where you can basically see their email, their first name, surname. You can see all the orders that they've placed, their order history, and also you can again edit the profile by going here, and it will generate an edit customer window as well. So if you want to view the orders, you can press view, and then it will direct you to the view order window, which we'll come to in a bit when we are going over the orders panel. Moving on to the analytics tab, here we have more statistic cards. We have customer pending order, the number of products, which we'll get to in a bit, and the total revenue. And here we have different charts. We have a line graph, well, two line graphs to be more specific, of monthly revenue, which basically takes in the monthly revenue data and then generates a chart using chart.js. And then we also take the number of sales that have been placed each month, and these are also shown in another line graph with a separate axis to the right, the revenue on the left. Moving on to the products donut chart. This is not a pie chart, this is a donut chart specifically. Here it shows a diversity of products based on the categories, and that's basically the analytics panel.